Hi everyone, my name is Emmy Klein, resident artist here at Jerry's Artarama, and today I want to talk to you about the Creative Mark Apex tripod. So there are a lot of tripods on the market, and so when we were looking at the Apex tripod, we were really trying to find things that put the artist first and why we would want this tripod in our arsenal of art supplies. So first and foremost, it is lightweight. This whole tripod is 2.64 pounds, which means it is less than 3 pounds. It comes with a carrying bag with a strap that you can just throw on your shoulder, and whether you're doing plein air painting or traveling around, it's so lightweight that you barely notice that it's there. The next feature that I wanted to talk about are the telescoping legs. Now they are an all aluminum construction, which means durability. That is so important for us artists because we don't want something that's going to break while we're out in the field. Now the feet also have a rotating ball joint. Now that will adapt to any terrain that we set this on. So this tripod also features a hook down here at the center, which serves two purposes. Now the first being that we can add a weight, so if we need to add that heaviness and keep our tripod nice and stable on a windy day, really perfect. The other thing that I like to use this for is a trash bag. So you'll have everything right there at an arm's reach. So next up we have the head of the tripod. Now this has a 360-degree pan rotation. It also has a 90-degree forward tilt and then also a 90-degree side tilt. It also features two leveling bubbles, which is really great for any kind of uneven terrain and making sure that everything is nice and level. With the amount of tripod options out there, the Creative Mark Apex tripod was really designed for the artist first.